Hi, my name is Dawn. I'm an application consultant for Carestream Health. Today I'm here to talk to you about the proper detector battery removal and insertion.
To properly remove the battery from the DRX1 detector, you take the record magnet tool, you place it inside the hole, take the mechanism and draw it towards you, lift the battery no more than a 45-degree angle. If you remove it more than a 45-degree angle, you could jeopardize breaking the connection teeth and you'd have to call service to utilize your system. To properly insert the battery in the DRX1 detector, you go in no more than a 45-degree angle, press down until you hear the click. Now I'm going to talk about properly removing the battery from the DRX Plus detector. You simply press and drag the mechanism towards you, no more than a 45-degree angle, and release the battery. To properly insert it, again, a slight angle, press it down until you hear the click. The DRX 2530 battery removal and insertion process is the same as the DRX Plus.